In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate text in Adobe Firefly. We'll go from a blank browser window to a polished, stylized word render using a reference image for composition and a clear prompt for styling. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Adobe Firefly. This is the quickest way to reach the official site. In the results, look for the link that clearly identifies Adobe Firefly so you know you're landing on the correct page. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Adobe account to continue. This ensures all features are available. Once you're on the Firefly homepage, locate and click the More option. This expands the full set of creative tools so you can access the feature we need. From there, go to Composition. This workspace helps Firefly follow an overall layout while it styles your text, which is especially useful when you want your results to match a particular framing or balance. Next, upload a reference image for composition. Choose an image that communicates layout more than content. For example, pick something with a clear focal point, simple shapes, or strong alignment that suggests where your text should sit. High-resolution files with good contrast work best, and make sure you have the right to use the image you select. The goal here is to give Firefly a visual guide for spacing and arrangement while the model handles the look and feel. Now make your prompt. A great approach is to lead with the actual word you want, followed by crisp descriptors that define style, material, light, and color. For example, type, mastery, bold futuristic lettering, neon glow, chrome texture, electric blue and purple colors, crisp edges, high detail. This structure tells Firefly exactly what to render and how it should appear. Keep descriptors specific, avoid contradictions, and aim for a clean, compact sentence that focuses on the most important qualities. When your prompt looks right, click Generate. Firefly will interpret your reference composition and your text styling instructions to produce results. Give it a moment to process. You're looking for a balance between legibility and style. The composition guide should keep the layout intentional while your prompt drives the finish and mood. If clarity is critical, emphasize terms like legible, clean outline, or clear lettering in your wording. If you want more flair, emphasize material and lighting details. That's it. You've navigated to Adobe Firefly, opened the composition tool, added a reference image, crafted a precise prompt, and generated stylized text guided by your composition.